from the luxurious and environmentally conscious travel of the future. Greetings. Presenting the BYD Motorhome 2026, a groundbreaking invention that mixes the amazing comfort of a motorhome with BYD's competence in electric vehicle technology. With its modern LED lighting, sleek, contemporary form, and smooth aerodynamic lines, the design is stunning from the outside and reflects BYD's devotion to innovation. The motorhome embodies the ocean aesthetics design idea, which was inspired by BYD's most current passenger vehicles, and has integrated solar panels on the roof for maximum energy efficiency. It is both fashionable and useful. Beneath this stunning exterior is a state-of-the-art all-electric drivetrain powered by BYD's latest Blade battery technology, which is renowned for its dependability and safety. The incredible immediate power and torque generated by two electric motors allows for long-distance driving without emitting any pollutants, and they also accelerate smoothly and have an incredible range. A dashboard that embraces the notion of a digital cockpit greets you as soon as you step inside. A huge, user-friendly touchscreen controls all entertainment, navigation, and motorhome operations, while a digital instrument panel displays important driving information in clear visuals. A modern and ecologically friendly mood is generated by blending soft touch, sustainable materials with light wood or metal accents. Utilizing every square inch that is accessible, the interior design is mostly modular and flexible. It is easy to turn the living room into a dining area or even an extra bed thanks to the sofas and chairs' excellent upholstery, swivel, and folding capabilities. Ambient lighting with programmable LEDs creates a variety of mood-appropriate ambiances and adds a luxurious touch. The back bedroom is a tranquil retreat. It has ergonomic storage, panoramic windows to take in the beautiful surroundings, and a king or queen bed with a cozy memory foam mattress. An integrated audio system and a flat-screen TV add to your personal comfort and entertainment. The design of the bathroom is intended to be both luxurious and practical. A modern shower with great water pressure, a fashionable sink with an illuminated mirror, and a toilet with a water-saving flush mechanism. High-quality waterproof materials and effective ventilation provide the most comfort. The kitchen is a gourmet adventurer's dream, with a large freezer-equipped refrigerator, a well-integrated double sink, an induction cooktop, and a convection microwave oven. The excellent surfaces and generous storage space allow you to cook delicious meals wherever you go. Prepare for an unforgettable journey with the BYD Motorhome 2026, a mobile luxury home that runs solely on electricity and BYD's unrelenting innovation. It is more than just a vehicle. It is a platform for limitless exploration.